This is one of the channels that can help you retire early. My name is Wes. I'm a real estate agent in Singapore. Actually, I have an interest in investing when I was 18, but didn't manage to find the right mentor, the right teacher. So I made a lot of mistakes and unable to find out what were my mistakes and what went wrong. Okay, my goal is to retire my parents, my wife, and hopefully travel all over the world with my family. My favorite part of the VIP program is actually the trade show. We spend a lot of time preparing for the presentation, the props, and we had a lot of fun doing it. And I think the most important part of the trade show is actually we go into the company's website, the annual report, to learn about the company, to study, and it's very beneficial. I think the most helpful lesson to me is understanding the company's intrinsic value as well as the different metrics that we have looked at to see whether the company is performing well as compared to just looking at the share price, which can be just the market sentiments. Yeah, I would highly recommend VIP to all my friends, especially those who find work very challenging and don't want to ever work again. This is one of the channels that can help you retire early.